There are so many great ways to navigate TI-nspire. We've compiled a list of the top 10 navigation tips to help you become a TI-nspire keyboard ninja. You can use the navigation pad to scroll up and down through a menu, but you will notice that menu items are preceded by a number. You can tap the corresponding number on the keypad to access the menu item. As you become more familiar with the menu items and their locations, you'll find yourself navigating through menus faster than anyone could possibly read them. There are a number of flyout menus on the TI-nspire keypad. The pi key includes other common symbols. The punctuation key includes useful symbols which also function as corresponding mathematical operations. The trigonometry flyout menu includes all the common trigonometry commands. Now see what happens when you repeatedly tap on one of these keys. Pretty cool. We are all familiar with the right mouse click on a computer. You can do the same with TI-nspire by simply pressing Control and Menu. Depending on what application you're in and what you are doing, this handy little menu will pop up, providing relevant commands in the context of what you're doing. Check out some of these examples. If you're the type of person that likes to use the keyboard for almost everything rather than pick up a mouse, you will love the Tab key. There are so many places where you can use the Tab key to navigate quickly. You can navigate through a template, add an equation to a graph, jump between axes on the data and statistics application. So if in doubt, try the Tab key. When you have lots of data in a spreadsheet application, it can be time-consuming to scroll down to the bottom of the list or back to the top. Well, check out these great navigation tips. To go instantly to the bottom or end of a list, press Ctrl and 1. Go back to the top, or up and down a page at a time. If you have a computer keyboard with a number keypad, check out what is written on the numbers. What about Ctrl and G? Type in the cell reference. You can go directly to a cell. And just in case you hadn't already clicked, you can do the same in an Excel spreadsheet. A computer can run multiple applications or programs at the same time. Most people know that you can press Alt-Tab or Windows and Tab to view or move between applications. On TI-nspire, you can swap between applications displayed on the current page by pressing Control and Tab. The application currently in focus is surrounded by a border. You can also tell which application is in focus by checking the menu. Various objects in TI-nspire can be manipulated by grabbing. A prompt is often provided to help you identify what you are about to grab. You can grow, shrink, or translate the window in the graph application, or translate and dilate graphs, or move objects. The easiest way to grab an object is to place the mouse over the object. Once the item is identified, press and hold the center of the navigation pad, or just press Ctrl and then click. To release, press Escape. As you work through textbook questions, exercises, or investigations, it's easy to just keep on adding more and more applications. This is not always helpful. Your document can become enormous. There are only 3 tabs visible at the top of the calculator screen, but your document may contain many more. Press Ctrl and up arrow to view the entire document. This is a little bit like the page sorter view in PowerPoint. You can see a little detail of each page. You can collapse the view of a problem or navigate to a particular page and then click or press Enter. There are so many features and commands in TI-nspire, we couldn't fit them all in the menu structure. So, from time to time, you might visit the Catalogue. Notice that the Catalogue also contains tabs. The first tab is an alphabetical listing of the commands. You can press a corresponding letter to jump ahead. To access the second tab, press 2. Here you'll find the commands grouped under Themes. Tab 3 contains all sorts of constants and conversions. Check out the remaining tabs and explore some of the amazing tools that are available. We've saved one of the best tips to last. Sometimes there's just no substitute for a large screen and computer mouse. Bundled with your TI-nspire calculator is a license for the TI-nspire software. So, you may have started working on a question using your calculator, but using the TI-nspire software, you can open that file on your computer. Continue working, and when you're done, save it on your computer or back to your calculator. The choice is yours.